Well, hello. Well, we finally got some snow. Not looking forward to the snow, but that's just the way it is here in Canada. So, in my previous video, I mentioned to you, or showed you, the trail that I was going to build, and I took spray paint and I marked my way through where we found those tires. Well, I did lock out before the snow hit, and I did finally cut my way through there with the chainsaw. So I thought, well, I'm going to take you and show you how the trail turned out. I did drive over it a little bit, and I did pull my tire drag. I only went over it maybe a couple times. But I'm going to take you over there and show you how the trail turned out. All right, we made it to the beginning of the trail, and we're going to slowly start in. And like I said, I did take my tire drag and went through it just to help break things up, smooth it out. So we're going to go into the trail and show you what I've done. Well, as you can see, finally, this is the beginning of the trail here. Remember, we had the willows sticking up here. Well, I cut all that out of there, and you can see where now the trail is slowly breaking in. Like I said, it's going to take a long time to do, but as you keep driving it and I'm pulling that tire drag, it'll just slowly keep working it. So let's go in the trail and see what else I've done. Well, it's nice to see the sun out. So anyways, you can see it's rough. It's going to take a while to break that in. But like I say, when I was building the trail, well, everything's frozen. So some of that deadfall or whatever, it's froze on the ground. So I tried to cut as best I could, but stuff like that might have to wait till springtime so I can get it kind of cleared out. But you can see behind me or whatever, as I came in here or whatever, you're starting to notice the trail. It's not like you can't see it. It's slowly just accumulating and getting better and better and better. Like as I was saying, like you see, like there's a hump here. You can see it over here. There's a log laying across there, but I tried cutting it with a chainsaw to get that out. Oh man, it's almost virtually impossible. But like I said, in time, whatever, in the springtime will come, I'll cut that out, and it'll be gone and make the trail even more smoother. So we're gonna go down even a little further and see some more of the trail that I built. All right. Chilly out, but it's gonna get more chilly out here in a couple days. That's why I gotta make this video. All right, now you can see here that we made it to, I call it the little tire town, but I did make it to the tires, so I'm pretty happy of that. So far the trail's coming good. I'm quite impressed with myself, especially doing it before the snow hit. But now it's nice getting to be really nice trails, and I can make it to these old tires. I think stopping at these old tires, make a nice little, what do you call it, like a brake spot, I guess. Yeah, I'm getting a little bit of sunlight in here, but that's a nice drive in here. Actually, I'm really quite impressed with it. I'm proud of myself. So now what I'm going to do, we're going to go further up the trail where that, remember I said where that big tree was if you watched the previous video. I'll post that other video at the end of this video, just so you can click on it, you'll know what video I'm talking about. But we're going to go through, and then we're going to go up to the other tree here that I call the big tree. And we're going to go and check out how the trail looks there too. Holy moly, it's cold enough out here where you can almost freeze Mr. Happy off. Let's go up the trail. Okay, well, here it is where we made to this, I guess let's turn this way, to where that big poplar tree was that I showed you in our previous video. So I even made it to that, whatever, so just the matter now, like, take you to the rest of the trail, but we're just already to this trail already. But my fingers are getting a little cold, but it's not too bad out here today, but I know we're supposed to get down to minus 20, even maybe even 30. So that's why I said I got to hurry up and get this video made. And I'm kind of happy, was it yesterday, that I actually brought my tire drag and I went through here. But it's working out really good how nice these trails really are. Like this part of the trail through here, like I actually had a little bit of a time here just to cut this out because it was just completely full of willows. There were some trees in the way or whatever, so I had to take the chainsaw and I had to go and I had to cut all this through just to make the path to go through here. But Well, now you can walk through. It's going to help too, because the game's going to come down this trail too. So it'll be nice when the guy wants to do a little hunting. You can walk through the trail nice and quiet. And next year, whatever, do some game hunting. So let's mosey up the trail on our little journey here, and we're going to go up a little further yet, but we're just about close to my other trail that I built here. Like I said, in my previous videos, you got to check those out. But we're going to make our way up now a little further. My thumb is getting a little numb. Gotta love winter. So here we are now. I'm back on my previous trail, the very first one I made that cut across. And just over here is I call it the main trail. And then the trail over here goes back to our house. See, on our main trail here, look how nicely, just with that tire drag, it's slowly, like, it just grooming the trail up, making it nicer to ride on your ATV or your snowmobile. So I thought I'd just show you like our main trail. I will bring a video, or have a video come up where I'm going to pull the drag again, but I want to get a little bit more snow, really test it. I did put chains on the tires of my quad. I got actually a good deal on that, so I did, like I said in my previous video, someday I'll get some tires or chains from my tires. Well, I did. I got chains from my tires. Now, as you can see here, now this is the trail that goes back to the house, but remember in my previous videos there was a lot of undergrowth and everything, but just see, I'm just slowly working my tires, just slowly kind of getting it going. Building the trail takes time. Like, this takes time. Just keep driving it. Pull the tires on your trail, or you have a little set of harrows or anything like that. But just keep driving it. Next thing you know, you got a perfect looking trail here. Well, I hate when these days get shorter and shorter like this. It's already, you can already tell it's already starting to get dark. I think we got maybe half an hour of sunlight. Just like, I mean sunshine, I should say, not sunlight. But anyways, there you have how I built that trail and everything. And you guys are watching the previous video, probably kind of curious, like how well did he do on it, or did he get it done? Well, I did get it done. But didn't take long, actually, to be honest with you. That's what I try to do, is make trails that's easy, I can make quickly, and I got nice riding trails out in our backyard. But I'm not gonna lie to you, My fingers are getting numb, kind of cold. But if you like this video, I'll guarantee you, check these ones out. I know you're gonna like them too. Or even hit that subscribe button and you'll be notified every time I come out with a new video. So I'm gonna go in and get warm. Like I said, I'm cold. So we'll see you guys on the next Measures Adventures. Have a great weekend, everybody. Have fun.